Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install a Moen T2901 shower trim kit, step by step. And honestly, this method will work for just about any Moen shower trim kit, since the assembly process is nearly identical across models. Now, depending on your kit, the handle style might look a little different. For example, this one has a set screw underneath, while others might have a screw on top. But don't worry, the installation steps are basically the same. Step 1. Before you start, I'm going to assume your shower valve is already installed. If not, no problem. I've got a full video showing exactly how to do that, and I'll drop the link down in the description below. Step 2. Installing the trim plate. First, grab the mounting sleeve and slide it over the top of the valve. Next, take your trim plate assembly. It comes in two parts that fit together like this, and slide it over the valve opening. You might notice a small gap between the trim plate and the wall. That's completely normal. Now, grab the decorative cap. Remember, it goes on the left side, and screw it in snugly. Step 3. Installing the handle. Next, let's move on to the handle. You'll see a small opening on the back. That's designed to line up with the cartridge stem. Just slide it on until it fits securely. Then, take an Allen wrench and tighten the set screw on the underside. If you don't already have one, I'll link some reliable Allen wrench sets in the description below. Step 4. Installing the shower arm and head. Now, let's finish up with the shower arm and shower head. Wrap the threads with Teflon tape. About 3 to 4 wraps clockwise in the same direction as the threads. If you ever run into a reverse threaded fitting, just wrap the tape counterclockwise instead. Before adding the flange, I like to apply a small bead of silicone to back, not to seal water, but just to hold it neatly in place. Once that's done, screw in your shower arm and shower head, and you're all set. And that's it. Guys, your Moen shower trim kit is fully installed and ready to go. If this video helped you out, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming DIY plumbing and home repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.